If you want to write emails that truly converts, you need to hook the right people, tell a story, then show them what you have to offer. And this is always done in 3 steps, using a hook, telling a story, and then giving them an offer. Let's dive into the details to truly understand each step, starting with the first step, the hook. A hook is designed to grab people's attention, to make them listen to the story and to see your offer. Hooks are typically short and bold statements that make people keep reading what you have to tell them. Your hook must connect to your audience on a personal and emotional level to keep them hooked. So let's take an example. Let's say that your targeted audience is people who want to make money online. Then a great hook that will grab their attention by relating to them emotionally would be, do you feel there's more to life than going to your 9-to-5 job every day? Great, now that we've got a hook, let's move on to the second step, which is the story. Now the story is the biggest part of your email. It's called a story because it's exactly what it is. It's designed to tell a story that will really connect with your audience even more personally than the hook itself, to ultimately lead them to your offer. So let's take an example. Let's say that your targeted audience once again is people who want to make money online. Then the story could be, in 2016, me and my best friend started 2 websites with a goal to start making money online and quit our jobs. Now, we wrote hundreds of blog posts on the website without success. Then 3 YouTube channels later, with hundreds of videos on them, we had failed to achieve our goal once again. After having invested thousands of dollars and thousands of hours creating content, we felt beaten down and completely lost. But we kept searching for ways to achieve our goal. So one day we went online searching for new ways to make a living online and found one called Sell Online Courses. Fast forward a couple of years and we started a business in 2018 where we make a living from creating valuable online courses that creates jobs and help people create their own online businesses. Quite the story, right? Moving on to the third and final step, which is the offer. Now we have hooked our audience with a short and bold statement that connects with them. Then we have told them a story that connects and relates to them on an even deeper level. Your story will have shown that you've been where they are, and now it's time to give them an offer, something where they need to take action. It could be sign up to a newsletter, webinar, or mini course, and it could be selling your products or services. Now, the length of your offer depends on how much you're asking for. It can be short if it's for free and longer if it's about buying something for money. Let's take an example. Let's say that your targeted audience is still people who want to make money online. Then the offer could be, if you'd like to start making money online, we're happy to show you how for free. You just have to click on the link below and sign up with your email to register for the 45-minute free webinar. And we'll show you how we quit our jobs in less than 1 year after we'd figured out the system. It's completely free. See you inside the webinar. So now when we put them all together, we have a highly converting email with a hook, a story, and an offer. Now, if you can make sure that all your emails include these 3 steps, you'll see much higher conversion rates. Now that you know how to create amazing emails, we'll be making your life a lot easier by providing you with our 7 most useful email templates, all in a copy-paste format with an inbuilt hook, story, and offer. So you'll be doing less work while getting higher conversions. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next lecture.